My name is Taneisha Williams, and I'm a real estate broker, an area manager, and a marketing manager. I'm from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. My son graduated high school 2 years ago now, and I was just waiting for him to finish high school to relocate. So now that he's acclimated and a sophomore in college, I'm ready to transition. I watched one of Jay's informative sessions when he was live on Facebook, and in the time frame that I watched Jay and read his book, I learned more in that brief time than I learned in all of my years of real estate back in Pennsylvania. So that's a significant difference of information, because for me to learn that quickly from Jay, I was like, if I can become a student of his, how much more can I gain? I have 2 children, so I'm looking financially, I'm like, does it really make sense? Let me look and see what I can try. And then one day, Jay made an announcement at the end of the week on a Friday, he was going to announce a special offer that he had. I made a point to put that date and time on my calendar. I sat and I listened to it, and as soon as they opened up the website to make the payment, I became an easy funding client. The program was very easy from start to finish. I literally had a checklist and anywhere from probably 4 to 6 people that I could reach out to at any time if I had questions. And from start to finish, it took me 10 days to become funded for over $70,000.